Tell me about yourself.
First of all, I'm Mark Lester Mabeza. I was born on September 28. I have 4 siblings and I'm the eldest. My favorite animal is dog and cat, and my favorite food is Bicol Express. One day, I want to go to Japan and other countries.
What are your strengths?
My strength is my family, of course, and my friend who always there when I need them. Especially my brothers and sisters, they are my strength because without them I might have given up on this life. And without them I would not be strong as I am today.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is still my family because I can't handle it if something happened bad to them, especially my siblings.
How do you handle stress?
I handle stress by talking to my close friend because every time we talk, I forget the stress. So I often go out of the house and I will hang out to release and get rid of the stress we feel.
What is your proudest achievement?
My proudest achievement and my biggest success is first of all my graduation from elementary and high school and the achievements I received by playing basketball. That's all. Thank you.